Hi, this is Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2016 Lexus NX 200T. Today's model has a white exterior, and you can see the brown and black leather interior. Sunroof, blind spot assist. Go around to the back here. So you see the Lexus and the NX 200T badging. And I do have a power opening and closing trunk. Some brand new mats there for you. And we'll come around and take a look at the rear seats. Look at the sunroof. Quick peek up at the front of the vehicle. Alright, let's hop in the driver's seat. So we've got our driver's seat controls here. Driver door controls and the driver's seat itself. Steering wheel. Mileage in this vehicle is currently at 60,733, and we have a push button ignition. Well, here you'll see the Lexus radio, navigation system, backup camera, all that's controlled here on the display. Alright, so there's our navigation. And radio here. And I'm just controlling all this here with this little touchpad right here. Alright, let's see, the backup camera as well. There we go. And here's our climate control. And the Lexus shifter. And then a quick look at the center console here. Now, if you'd like to see any photos or get any more information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.